In 1985, the San Francisco City and County Board of Supervisors passed a resolution that allowed local police to decide whether or not to report local abiding immigrants from Central America to federal authorities. As mayor at that time, I signed that resolution. A faith-based group had visited Central America, and the Archbishop had met with me to help bring persecuted immigrants to San Francisco. This group had gone to El Salvador and Guatemala, where they witnessed violence and atrocities against the poor and the vulnerable. They wanted to ensure that San Francisco would welcome these refugees, and we did. Today, San Francisco is one of more than 50 California cities or localities with sanctuary policies. California also has a state law that outlines cooperation with federal immigration authorities. In an April 2019 decision that upheld California law, the Ninth Circuit affirmed that, quote, the refusal to help is not the same as impeding, end quote. California sanctuary law limits immigration authorities' ability to enter schools, public libraries, and clinics to detain immigrants. These places should be safe for everyone, regardless of their immigration status. But the law does require local officials to notify federal officials when a dangerous criminal is being released from custody. Sanctuary policies seek and should seek to strike a reasonable balance. They protect law-abiding immigrants. They are not intended and should never be used to shield dangerous criminals. That's why I have long supported requiring some level of communication between local, state, and federal officials. As we consider this topic, I hope we can remember that this issue is not about making a choice between being pro-immigrant and pro-criminal. Immigrants make a tremendous contribution to this country and to our largest state, California. They work with some of the most difficult jobs, from agriculture to construction to hospitality. They are part of the fabric of our country. I firmly believe that we can keep our communities safe from dangerous criminals while protecting otherwise law-abiding immigrants who are just here to work and provide their children with a better future. And I'd like to thank the witnesses for being here today. And Mr. Chairman, I appreciate the fact that you wrote this bill, and I look forward to working with you and trying to see if we can have some accommodation between the two sides.